What's up, YouTube world? What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy Solo. Welcome back to another edition of Vlogging with Solo. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and comment. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe. And if you're loyal to the channel, I appreciate everything that you do. Make sure you stay tuned as well for the content that we have. So, for all my car owners that are looking to make a modification to the vehicle to make it look a little bit more aggressive, stand out, and make it look different, then stay tuned because you're not gonna want to miss this video. It's another mod day. Well, I wouldn't call it a mod day, but I mean, it's a definite day about to put a mod on. Ooh, it is cold out here. I did not know that. I am about to go put a sweatshirt on. But yeah, so just ordered another mod, got it into the house. Came fairly quick, came like in, I think like 3 or 4 days. But a lot of the mods I put on my vehicle, like in my head, they look good, but some of them, they don't. I might see a mod that I want and it might not necessarily like, how can I put this? It doesn't sit well with me at first. Like, sometimes I have to like really see it or have to like put it on my car for me to actually like it. So this mod's a little different for the install portion of it. I'll be doing it right here in my garage. I won't necessarily be going to a shop or anything like that. So it'll be done right here. You know what I'm saying? The comfort of the back cave. It's also day 6,700,421,000,000,000 twin clan. I don't know what I just said on the last one, but it is that many days of quarantine, so I have yet to get a haircut because the barbershops are closed. So please bear with me. I know I'm looking rough, you know what I'm saying, but it is what it is. This video is all about the car. Vlogging with Solo is all about vlogging, so I mean, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna keep the channel healthy, we're gonna keep it fun. But yeah, so without further ado, we better go ahead and get into the video. Appreciate y'all. What the fuck?
You know, it's a lot of shit I don't speak on.
Something in the middle of the road just fucking popped out like a big ass box or something. I think I just hit that motherfucker, bro. Oh, one second.
I saw that though. What the heck?
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
Hey, you take care.
Thank you.
That's gotta be hard to paint though.
It's a wrap.
What is a wrap?
It's a wrap, yeah. The car is originally red, but I didn't like the red, so I wanted to do something different. So,
you got it.
Y'all have it. You too, man. Thank y'all.
You take care.
That box I thought I hit, I don't know if I hit it, but I mean, it made a lot of noise on the side of the road, so I don't know if I hit it exactly, but I got out, checked, there was no damage done to the vehicle, which I am glad because this wrap is too expensive to be messing up like that. But so yeah, right now I'm on my way. As you can see, I got my Louver in the back seat. It's not on or anything like that, but just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm actually taking it down to my man down here at C-Raps, who actually did my vehicle. We about to play with some ideas on this Louver, because the way I envision in my head, it looks good, like in my head, obviously, but I just need to see it like in person. So I'm gonna get him the Louver, let him put his hands on it type stuff. We're gonna brainstorm some ideas, and then we're gonna go from there, so y'all stay tuned. So we just pulled up the C-Raps right now. About to go ahead and give him this Louver, see where we're going from there.
Start it from here and go straight across.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
and then
so
knees
like
and C.
This will be black.
Mm-hmm. And then knees going up will be black, right?
I'll just use this. I got like design line to cut it.
Uh-huh.
So I'll just kind of set this up across the whole thing. You know, this is just an example. That way it's a pretty decent, you know, I mean, I'll line it up straight across the whole thing. That way it's like straight, you know what I mean, instead of trying to cut on it.
So it'll be like all flat surfaces, and then this would be black still, and then these will be black going up.
Yeah, so you'll see, it'll do room, look right, let's go right in there. And then this will stay black, and then that outside will stay black.
All right, so I just left C-Raps. Just dropped off the Louver. It's not the back seat anymore, so just dropped that off to get some work done. We just discussed some things, bounce some ideas. I didn't film everything because, you know, it leads to suspense. So I'm actually about to head to the car wash right now and show you all exactly like what people don't tell you is the upkeep on a chrome is ridiculous. Like, you have to be meticulous with how you clean these things. I just found a car wash that's in town that does a decent job when it comes to like the water that comes out of their hoses and stuff like that. It's not like super hard waterish. So we're about to stop, wash up the car a little bit. It is ceramic coated, so that should make, you know, everything flow very, very, you know what I'm saying, systematically. So it is a sunny day, but it's like very cloudy. So like the sun keep ducking behind the clouds. So still want to have it clean for when we out and about, because this thing gets dirty fast. Like I tell people all the time, if I go down the street for 5 minutes, I gotta spend 30 minutes cleaning it when I get home. Like the upkeep on it is that serious. So if this is something you're looking to do, I highly recommend it, don't get me wrong, but you definitely gotta be willing to put in that time and that work when you do get it done, because it doesn't stop. From the time it gets put on the car to the time you take it off, like it does not stop. So just keep that in mind if this is something that you're looking to do. It's definitely worth it in my opinion. Obviously, it looks phenomenal. It looks great. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to the car wash, and I will show you all when it gets done getting washed. So I just gave her a wash, and just wash it right now. And you could tell the ceramic coat, it works wonders, man. That water just sits up on the hood. Like, it literally just rolls right off the car. Like, all the way around ceramic coated. So, you know what I'm saying? If you definitely, that's another thing. If you're looking to get something like this, you definitely want to ceramic coat your car. It's gonna preserve the wrap a whole lot longer than you expect. I'm about to go ahead and get her dried up. Another free game I'm about to issue out, I'm about to give y'all is this. Your best friend for something like this are your microfiber towels. If you plan on doing something like this kind of wrap, these is what you want, I'm telling you. Because they don't scratch or anything like that, they just smooth over the surface of the vehicle. So you want to keep a couple of these. As you can see, I got quite a few in my trunk. I got like rows and rows and rows of them, you know what I'm saying? Just keep them around with me. So yeah, we about to go ahead and pull her out in the sun, get her all dried up, and then we're gonna be on about our business. All right, so we just got done washing the car, getting it dried off and everything like that. Now I'm about to go ahead and take it home, put it back in the garage for a little bit. And around tomorrow, I should have my louver done. So I'll take you guys back over there, show you the finished product of it and what we brainstormed and what we came up with. And then we'll put it on the vehicle, and then we'll do a full walk around the vehicle, and then I'll show you guys what that's looking like. So until then, stay tuned. Good morning, ladies and gents. I just got a call from my guy over at C-Wraps that my louver is done. So, and then we can so yeah, we about to head over to balance too. We're about to head over to C-Wraps right now and pick up the louver. And when I tell you, he sent me pictures of it, obviously, you know what I'm saying, so we make sure we're on the same page with what was getting done with it. But when I tell you all, this louver is about to be crazy. Like, the pictures obviously don't do no justice. You gotta see the material in person and stuff like that, but I already know, like, once I see this is about to be crazy. So we just pulled up the C-Wraps. I'm about to head in there, see what this wrap is looking like. The sun is out today, so she looking good today. The sun is out, guns is out, you know. And she looking real good today. Woo! Bro, look at the details on that shit, man. Look at the details. Bro, this is about to be crazy. Let's take this in the sun real quick. Oh my goodness. Ooh! Hey, I had to turn away. Bro, that's about to be crazy. Oh my goodness. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you. You can put it up to the back of the window. That's about to be crazy, bro. Now, this way facing like up like that. And this is just an idea of what it's gonna look like. Oh, shoe fell off. And it's just an idea of what it's gonna look like right there when this is done. This is crazy. And that's just a glimpse of what it's gonna look like. I ain't bolted it down to actually put the screws on or anything like that in the mounts, but there's just an idea of what it's gonna look like from the back. And it's just an idea of what it's gonna look like from the side. This is about to be crazy, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. This build is about to get crazy. Next, we're gonna work on getting these done right here, because this gotta go. Y'all already know what color we're going with, or at least what we're gonna attempt to go with. But if not, we'll find some color to go with it. But until then, boy, Black Honcho to pull up with his wicker bill that just got installed.
Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Black Honcho.
We about to go ahead and put this wicker bill on. I got it sitting back here right now, but obviously it's not secure or nothing like that. So you about to back it up in the garage, get this thing working, and then, you know what I'm saying, voila, we should be done. So yeah, so stay tuned. We working. Just put that bitch on my story.
What side's missing that one?
My side.
Yeah, it's gonna be on that story.
So when you do it, push the corners all the way on the corner of the car.
Bendy.
Yeah, that shit's done. And you got a blow dryer.
Let's take off the rest of these because they're already fitting good. So try to place those ones inside the hole. All right. right there? Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, see, I'm looking for heavy duty. That shit. So as you can see, we finally got to put on there. We had to use some, I don't know, for some reason it didn't want to conform to the window. At first I was, so we had to use some 3M tape to put on my corners. And for some reason, some of the bolts was lost. I ain't gonna say why or what happened, but some of the bolts was lost. So we had to go to the auto store and buy some other bolts. But I mean, I put it in the link in the description. I put a link in the description to the sizes of the bolts, so it'd be too easy for you to get. If you run into these problems and you're missing bolts, your nearest hardware store will have it. I can assure you that. So, but yeah, this is overall what it looks like on the back of the vehicle. This is the new chrome louver. We had to put a twist to it instead of keeping it how it was. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look right now how it looks when you get in the car. 1 second. This is how it looks from inside the vehicle. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? You can still see out of your window somewhat. Obviously not as much as you could before the louver was put on, but I mean, it honestly, from where I'm standing, it doesn't look like too much of a big difference. So you can still, you know what I'm saying, see behind you a little bit, to be honest with you. I appreciate all you guys has been liking the video, commenting on the video, subscribing to my channel. All I can tell you is I'm gonna just keep dropping videos. I'm gonna keep coming at you guys with content. Remember that the link for all the stuff I use will be in the description of this video. So anybody that's wanting to put a louver on or got any questions about the tape, they has any questions about the 3M tape I use or the bolts and whatever I bought, any of that, the link will be in the description. Or if it won't be the link, it'll be a description of the item. We'll be there. So until then, this is Solo. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you soon.